Hey guys, it's Jon Hansen back with another Tech Talk. Today we're going to be discussing how to jumpstart a car. Whether it's warm season or as cold season moves in, it becomes more common. A lot of the time you'll wake up and you'll have a dead battery, and this is what you can do for it. So starting a car is pretty easy. The main keys to doing this is you're going to want to go red to red, black to black on your battery terminal connections. Depending on where your batteries are in the vehicle, going nose to nose with the vehicle or sometimes even side to side to get the best battery connection with your cables is going to be what you need to do. The length of the cables also matters, so having a kind of longer set makes your life a little bit easier. The best way to start is picking the vehicle with the good battery, and you're going to connect your terminals red to positive, black to negative, and they're always going to be color coded on your terminals as well. As you do this, you might have to uncover the terminals. Things like that are pretty common, but it's a simple, easy way to push it out of the way. As you're getting them connected, you just want to make sure that you keep your tips away from each other on the cables. After your positive and negative are connected to the good battery, you're going to move over to the car that needs the jump. And you're going to do it in the exact same way. Once you have a good connection on the vehicle, you're going to want to go ahead and start the vehicle with the good battery. Once you've started the good vehicle, sometimes let it run for a couple minutes. You can give it a couple revs just to really send that charge through into the battery that needs the jump, and then it's going to send all that energy to the other one. After that, we're ready to move to the other vehicle and try to get that one started. If upon jump starting your car you have no luck, there could be other issues. There might be corrosion on your battery or battery cables, could be a starter issue, or it could be something else. If that's the case, feel free to contact your local AAA agent, your BG Roadside Assistance Program, or your local BG mechanic to have you get help with this. If it worked out for you, all you have to do now is remove the battery cables and you're good to go. And it's that easy. Hopefully you're never going to need this video, but if you do, now you know how to use it. Till then, stay safe, protect your investments, and I'll see you next time.